is another room. I think room to ni Bongbong Marcos, guys, kasi may picture siya dyan, no? Oh, ayan guys, welcome to the Malacanang of the North. Pumasok tayo at mamasyal sa loob. Come on, samahan niyo ako. Oh, ayan guys, welcome to the Malacanang of the North. Pumasok tayo at mamasyal sa loob. Come on, samahan niyo ako. Ito ang makikita nyo guys sa building ng Malacanang of the North. A Spanish style na building. Ayan guys, I'm sure na maganda sa loob. So patuloy tayo maglakad at pumasok tayo. The Malacanang of the North, also known as Malacanang Tiamianan in the Ilocano dialect, is a national park and museum located in Barangay Suba in Paway, Ilocos Norte. This majestic mansion was built in 1977 by the Philippine Tourism Authority and was originally the official residence of the late President Ferdinand Marcos and his family. Ano yan siya? Dagat or lake? Fronting a lake. Ano kaya ito na lake, no? Malaki din.
Lake.
Ito tinatawag na Paway Lake. Ang ganda, no?
Ilang dito tinayo, kaya malapit sa lake, parang resort eh.
Ganda ng Paway Lake guys. Di na tayo maka-video ng ganon kasi against the light. Hanggang dito lang tayo. Paway Lake. Ano kaya kalalim nito guys, no? Ganda. The mansion is a two-story building with large rooms, grand staircases, and beautiful crafted wooden furniture. The balconies and windows offer stunning views of Paway Lake, enhancing its charm and historical feel. Inside, it displays memorabilia, photographs, and artifacts from the Marcos era, providing a detailed look into the life of one of the Philippines' most controversial political figures. Ang laki ng kwarto. Pwede 5 ano dyan.
Tubig man rin nasa harap.
Pangmayaman talaga. Laki. Ang kwarto pa lang ina ito guys, mas malaki kaysa sa housing ng Locos Housing. Kaya mahangin. Pag malakas ang hangin, ay hindi na kailangan ng aircon dito sa loob. And this is another room. I think room to ni Bongbong Marcos guys kasi may picture siya dyan, no? Sarap ng hangin. So, may do not enter dyan. Bawal na dyan. Dito na lang tayo. And whose room is this? Kailan kaya tayo magka-cut ng ganito, guys, no? Dito ang kanyang office ni Marcos. Dito ang parang Malacanang office. Strongman of Asia. Lamig. Dito, guys, aircon na siya. Ayan. May sa malaking room na ito ay meron ding mga maliliit na rooms. So this is his books for sure. At dito siya tumatanggap ng mga bisita. And this is another room for Rian Marcos, guys. Oh. Ito ang gusto kong puntahan, yung bridge. Ayan, mga projects niya to. Ito yung San Juanico. Yan, San Juanico Bridge. And this one is ano to? Hindi ko alam. Airport. I don't know lang kung saan to na airport, but this is an airport. Ayan. Wala kasi nakasulat. Ayan, guys, na-tour ko na kayo sa Malacanang of the North. I don't know where is our next destination. So, till next, and I hope you like my content. God bless you, guys. Hanggang sa susunod, magkikita pa rin tayo. Patuloy pa tayong mag-tour dito sa Ilocos. God bless you.